YouTube, my name is Kharyzma and my channel is Kharyzma for You, and I do videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and a little bit of everything else. So in today's video, I have a hair install and hair review for you guys. So let me give you the stats about this hair. This unit you can purchase from Amazon. It is very affordable, and for you girls that are natural and you just, want to give your hair a break and you want something that kind of looks like it could be your hair, I think this is the one. And it's synthetic, so it's very, very affordable. So this is the Word Short Black Curly Wig with Bangs, as you can see, and it says it's a bouncy bob kinky curly wig. So it does mock the kinky curly look if you did a twist out and took it out with some bangs. Now at first I wasn't sure how I felt about bangs and the wig. I was just like, I don't know how it's gonna look, but guys, I'm pleasantly surprised. I really love this unit. Now I must say it didn't come looking exactly like this. I had to cut and put some layers in it to frame my face because everyone has a different face shape. So that's what you're gonna have to do, because it even says here, let me give you the rest of the stats. It's 12 inches. I got the one in black. There's different colors, so you have different colors to choose from. And it also tells you that you can trim it as you like. And it also has a realistic part right here, so really, really nice. Now the bangs are not full. I wish they would be a little bit more full, but then I'm thinking, you know what, you don't want this big poofy bang. So I work with it, and you're gonna see in the video everything from start to finish, how the wig looked before and then how it looked after I did my little, something on it. But make sure you watch the whole video so you can see how I got it to look this good. And if you would like it, all the links are in the description. I'm gonna leave my affiliate link, so please click on the link. When you do, I get a small commission and I really, really appreciate it. But be sure to check out my website, kharyzmaforyou.com. This is my Cranberry Kiss lip gloss, which is the lip gloss that I'm wearing now. This is a sample. Here's mine. As you can see, it's like finished because I love this so much, and I'm gonna just show you. So go ahead and get you some Cranberry Kiss right here, kharyzmaforyou.com. Your lips will be glossy, shiny, and it smells so good. And you see it has a tint of red. This one is a little more pigmented. Subscribe, hit the notification bell. Let's get into the video. So this is the package that it comes in, and these are the instructions, and it also comes with a wig cap and some cute stickers. So that's the hair, how it looks when you take it out the pack, all the packaging and everything else, taking off the net. And this is what she's looking like. She's a kinky curly wig with bangs, as you can see. And I have my wig cap on, and I'm about to put this wig on. There's a realistic part right down the center behind the bangs, and it has 3 comb clips, 2 in the front and 1 in the back, and an adjustable waistband. So now I'm just putting it on and just securing it with the clip in the back, and then each clip on the side. Again, there's 2 clips in the front, 1 on the right side and 1 on the left side, and that's what I'm securing it with. So as you can see, the wig looks flat. It's not too attractive. The bangs look super flat. I really didn't like the way the bangs were so flat, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna have to fluff this up. So I clipped up the back part of the hair so I could focus on the bangs, and then I started to just separate each. I used my rat tail comb to separate it to kind of give it more of a fluffed out look, but the bangs were not really full, so it's only but so much fluffing out I could do with the bangs. And then I also noticed that the bangs were uneven. Like, I was just trying to make it look nice, make it look fluffed out, and then I had to get my scissors and start cutting because the ends were a little bit scraggly looking. Okay, so now I took out the rest of the hair, and I didn't like that it was all one length. This is a bob style wig, but I don't know, I don't think it looked good on me. I thought it just looked so flat, so I'm like, okay, let me get my scissors and start to cut in layers. And I am not a professional at cutting hair. I just really played around with it, and I was like, I know sometimes people like cut in layers in the front to frame their face, and that's exactly what I did. I'm like, okay, the bang stops at my eyebrows, so then the next layer in the front I wanted to stop like a little bit lower, and that's all I did. What I did to one side, I just matched on the other side, and I took my time with it so that I could see. You saw me laughing right there because I still wasn't sure if it was gonna come out good, but I kept the faith and I kept going. And as I kept doing it, I was like, okay, I could see like what I could do. See how I'm showing you the layers that I did? And that's all I'm doing, just cutting layers, making sure everything looks nice and neat and even on each side. And this wig is 12 inches, so it's not really that long, so it really can look like it's your hair if you know how to style it really well. And these wigs do not come already, you know, looking nice, like, and this is a synthetic wig, so it's very affordable, but you have to play around with it if you want it to look like something. So there I am trying to fluff up the bangs again, and I'm liking it more and more. I like the way it looks. I like the layers that I did. And now I'm just fluffing it out because I don't want the wig to look flat. It has layers now. I feel like it's framing my face. It looks a little bit better. And I'm using some mousse just to, you know, be on the safe side so that I don't have frizz. I want it to be fluffed out but shiny and kind of defined, but still fluffed out but with no frizz, if you kind of understand what I'm trying to do. And I will leave all links in the description for all the products and hair accessories that you've seen in this video. So I'm really loving it. This is the final look. I love the way it looks. It looks really nice, really neat for those days when you don't feel like doing your hair and you want to still look presentable. I definitely recommend it. Again, the link will be in the description. Look at me just modeling and showing you how I look. It's super cute. Yeah, so make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can receive all of my uploads. I will leave some links to my other hair installs, and make sure you follow me on Instagram. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate your support. Check out my website for my lip gloss as well. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.